This is part 3 of running LS-DYNA in Ansys Cloud. First, you'll need to log in Ansys Cloud account and then click on Ansys Cloud Guide. It has 200 pages for this Cloud Guide. My suggestion is click on the download account to download this document. Here, I have the download PDF file open. If you go to the page 140, you can find a section. It's called Run LS-DYNA. Here, you have a sample output. I have a command open in the notepad, and let us go through all of the command arguments one by one. The first portion shows we are using Ansys Cloud command line to solve in cloud. The second portion shows we are running LS-DYNA. You can see that you will specify the name for the job. Here I'm using my job 1 as my job name. -I input. So that's my name of input file. It's called input.key. SMP, normally I would recommend don't use this one. We use the MPP that will have a better efficiency. By default, this command is using a double precision. So if you want to use a single precision, you need to use this command --single, so which is this portion. Q. For Q, it will tell the cloud which machine to use it. To know what kind of machine is available for the cloud, we need to use this command to find out which machine to do this. To use this command, we need to first open the DOS window. So we use the DOS window. In this DOS window, I can use this command, copy, hit enter. As you can see that those are the machines available for you to use for Ansys Cloud. Regarding the detail of this command, Ansys Cloud CL get cookies, you can go to this document and page 127 for the explanation list of the cookies with version 2020 R1 application in Eastern US region. So that's this command. Let's go further for this command. So in the queue, we are telling the program use this machine. Here, -N2 means when using a flexible queue, the number of nodes to be allocated for the job. Choose a value that will accommodate the job parameter and the requirement. So regarding -M60, which is the maximum number of CPU cores to be used by the machine, you should use at least half of the maximum available core. So in my example, I'm using 60 CPU. The last one is the folder D drive demo. So here it's my local D drive demo. I have the input key file. In this command line, we can copy all of those commands and then paste in here. Hit enter. When you run the job, you will receive an email and say that Ansys Cloud, the job, my job 1 has started. If you go to the Ansys Cloud page, you will say that my job 1 is running. If you click on it, you can see that upload input file, transfer speed. It's a starting computer resource. Normally, it will take about 5 or 6 minutes to start the remote computer. Now, we can see that the remote machine is running. We can click on the text monitor to see the details. This is a small job. We can show all of the input window of the file. You can see that we are using MPP single precision with the R11 solver. It took 60 CPU 8 seconds to finish this job. Let's go back. Status, download output files. And the job is finished. After the job is done, you will receive an email in your mailbox saying Ansys Cloud job completed, my job 1. If you go to your DJI demo, you will find that all of the simulation file has been downloaded. If we double click on D3 Pro, open else prepost. Here we have the file loaded. If we do an animation, you can see that it's working. This session shows you how to use Ansys command line to solve LS-DYNA in the cloud. Thanks for watching.